along 1075, and reason for going long right now is we just had kind of exhaustion selling on the 1500, 500 tip bar chart, kind of down here, and we've got cyclical support on the 4500 tip bar chart, and we're breaking above this resistance level on 500. So I actually think we're gonna have a little bit of run to the upside. A couple of blue professional bars on 1500 tip bar chart, and yeah, so everything's kind of going off. Hopefully this doesn't kind of reverse on me. Anyway, so just long at 1075. Okay, we just pulled back a little bit, formed a resistance level on the 1500 tip bar chart. This kind of pullback's just being led by the amateurs here, a little kind of amateur down bar. Don't think it's reversal here. Kind of a little bit of an icebreaker trade here. Kind of professionals into this turning point normally kind of would short that, but because we've got this exhaustion selling, I think it's just going to find some support and maybe head back up. So hopefully that's the case. Okay, good. Flush signal on the 500 tip bar chart. So that's okay. So we just flushed out the sellers on that little push down, so hopefully we'll test back up to 11, break above this on the 1500 tip bar chart into an uptrend. Anyway, let's just see, still holding along at 1075. Okay, here we go. We had a double flush signal, that pattern, and we just kind of kept on going. A little bit of resistance with the rainbow pattern here, a couple of blue professional bars, but we kind of pushed through resistance here on both the 500 and the 1500 tip bar chart. So we're kind of going with this because of this kind of support levels in on 4500 tip bar chart. Target's at 1475, so just fingers crossed. Okay, just out at 1325. And the reason for getting out there, just had divergent signal coming on the 500 tip bar chart and a blue professional bar on the 1500 tip bar chart. Rainbow pattern right up here at 14. Just not sure it's going to break. You know, we've had exhaustion buying here. Could pull back a little bit and kind of head back up possibly. But just finding it difficult to get through 14, so I'd rather be out. Which is not bad. What was that? 2.5 on that. So it's just watch and wait. Gone along at 1275, again re-entering, just because we've got a pullback and an uptrend just signalled here, support level on the 500 tip bar chart. Coming into this kind of rainbow patterns, amateur down bars here, down bar on the 1500 tip bar chart, so we're just going to retest back up. I know we've got kind of some kind of weakness here, but we're just going to push and get a final exhaustion, move to an end of trend, I'd have thought. So just long briefly at 1275, and all I want to do is pick off 1.5, so I'll set my stop at that, target at that. Bingo, just out at 1425, so just for a quick 1.5, kind of a continuation of this move. In retrospect, looking at this, I should have just taken that one chunk, you know, not come out after this sign of weakness here. But there we go, so that's 4 points, 2 trades, not bad. And we're coming into a little bit of resistance up here. End of trend's kind of gone off. Exhaustion buying, we've had divergent signals, so and blue professional bar right up here at this kind of new break. Same thing on the 45, so we could well kind of just roll over, but probably need to see a bearish divergent signal on the 1500 first. But that's a good little kind of breakout move, just to catch that from the lows. You can see it better on the 500 tip bar chart. Actually took it before here, just before this breakout, come back, test, flush patterns, bang, takes off to the upside. So it was probably a better entry than I had, but that's a good little sequence from a flush pattern all the way up to an end of trend like that. No blue professional bars coming on the 500 tip bar chart, so maybe it's going to keep going. Huh. Yeah, that'll be right. Way too early. Anyway, there we go. Yesterday was hard for me. Today that was easy. What is it? 8:48 AM. 2 trades for 4 points. Hope your trading went well today.